Hi.
What's this?
That's your present.
That's your present from Uncle Eric and Aunt Paula.
What's this?
What is it?
You tell me.
You know how to drive it?
Yeah.
Step your foot on the pedal. Push down. Can you steer? If you can steer it and drive. And look, here. You press this button. Okay, see that one? Now hit the button now. Stop!
Go!
What do you think of that? Nope. Hit this button. That makes it go. This one makes it go forward. Turn the wheel.
Turn the other way.
Turn the wheel. All right, here. Get out for a second.
What do you think, Abigail?
That's cool.